The new 4M CAD 23 has just launched with a lot of new features and capabilities. The 4M CAD is now more powerful than ever, with a totally new interface, and speeds that will keep even the most demanding users satisfied. For CAD 23 is characterized by a number of new features and enhancements. Some of those are the following. The new impressive AEC objects, accessible also from the new tool palettes, help the user to create easily walls, windows, doors, stairs, slabs, rails, etc., turning in a few minutes his 2D model into an impressive 3D model. The user is able to select among many different types of doors, windows, and stairs in order to design his 3D building model. The result is really amazing for a simple non-architectural CAD software. The option of importing Revit files, .rvd file format, increase the interoperability of the program, while working with files from other softwares is even easier. The user is able to import library object either from files or from the library manager. The library manager gives to the user an extra ability to create his own object libraries in order to have them available in any project. In the new 4M CAD 23 tables from Excel can be created. Very easily we can select the path of the XLS file and a preview of the table will be shown. The data that are going to be imported can change. Styles, dimensions, and the text height can be modified from the property panel. Also, a new table can be created, or we can use all the known formulas to create the table as we wish. The new PDF to DWG add-on module converts very easily PDF files to DWG files. The result is really impressive.